staying near. We were staying sort of close by, and we used to meet very often, and we used to meet in conferences, meetings of official, social, everywhere. Mr. Nanda was a unique personality. He is a very kind-hearted person, and during service, he used to shout at his subordinates, but rarely punished them or harmed their career. And he was very helpful to his friends and to his colleagues, and whoever wanted anything, he was ready to help. Indeed, a very fine person, a noble soul, and person, and to the community, to Rotary. It is with a heavy heart I bid him farewell. In fact, it is with the great sorrow that I end, and I thank Mr. S.K.S. Narayan Club Administration to give me the first stand. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Madhibabu. Next. Anybody else?
Can I speak? Hello?
Yes.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, loud and clear.
Can I speak?
Yes, yes.
Sure.
My relation with Nanda Babu is a little bit special because when his father was DF of Khordha, his brother-in-law, younger brother of Suprabha Nani was my classmate for class 6 and 7. And fortunately, I saw him after a long gap. After 40 years, I saw him yesterday in his house. So, but we could recognize each other very fast. So the moment I saw him in the office, because of Nani, I could immediately recognize that she is Suprabha Nani. And since that day, I used to call them Nani and Bhaina. And fortunately, he selected me to be the secretary during his tenure of presidency. And we had a very good bond as a president and secretary. When we went to Calcutta for our annual training assembly, we shared the same room. So we had a great stay there. After we came back, he made it a point that all our projects should be perfect and our reporting should also be perfect, because nowadays we are in virtual. Those days the reporting used to be filed properly. So every Tuesday evening he used to invite both Rupasri and myself to his residence, because I was secretary to him and Nani was secretary for Innerville. So it was easier for us to complete our job together. We used to sit there up to 10 o'clock. I used to have dinner with him, then come back late in the evening. Then in the next annual conference also, he insisted that I accompany him with my family in his own car. We went together. We stayed in the same guest house. He arranged for my room, and we had a great stay there. After that, when we came back to Bhubaneswar, till the pandemic came, I was a very regular to his house, even during his treatment for this disease. So, with his passing away, I lost a real brother and a true friend. Thank you. Thank you.
Anybody else? Hello,
Paningrai Babu.
hello, Panigai, please.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. In fact, it was a very sorrowful moment when I immediately learned that he is no more. In fact, at home, I have been speaking to my wife that long since I had spoken to him. It's about some 4 or 5 months back I had spoken to him. I would forever remember one moment, especially when Brigadier Naik's joint installation was there. We all were there, a lot of members of the club. And he called me to his side. There are certain personal moments. Intimately, he spoke certain things, how humble was his background. And especially he's the kind of a situation in which he was doing his post-graduation and how his professor helped him. It was so humble. And I thought that a person belonging to this kind of a stature, being an IPS officer and had a successful career. And incidentally, to my own co-brother-in-law, my Sadhu, he was also a colleague of him. And he also spoke very high about Mr. Nanda. And there are certain things which he had revealed. I should have never had the guts to reveal to a friend of mine. That way, I really appreciate and salute his honesty. And I used to respect him like an elder brother. And his loss is a real great loss as a very good human being in our club. That's it from my side.
Thank you. Naveen? Naveen is there?
Yes, he is there.
Yeah, okay. I'm sorry. I'm just getting out of the car and I'll talk once I get into the light.
Okay,
So
Gopal.
can I take the next round, please?
Okay. Gopal Naik?
Yes, sir. So it was actually a very shocking news when I heard. So Sanjukta told me that Trupti madam has sent some message from somebody that Nanda sir has passed away. And then I said, maybe it's not a true news, please verify. And she got verified. And when we came to know, it was actually very shocking. So I remember a couple of incidents I think I should narrate. So when I was the president, we had our picnic in Mundari, in one of the government IBs. We had our picnic there. And so there's this ODRAF team, they were doing their training there in those boats, this inflatable boats. So some of our members said maybe we can request them to take us on a boat ride. So, but of course the ODRAF fellows did not agree. Then later on somebody said, if you called Nanda sir, and Nanda was actually, he was responsible for setting up the ODRAF team in Odisha. So if he calls him, it will work. So I called him and he gave a call, and next moment we were all wearing that inflatable jacket, and then we were actually taking a trip in the Mahanadi River. That. So it was so nice of him that one phone call and we had such a fantastic ride. We had gone to Vizag for the district assembly, and I had a little accident there. I fell down from the bathroom, and then Nanda sir was there and he was helping me with his homeopathic medicines, etc. He told me. And then I used to have allergy, and I talked to him, sir, can you suggest something? So he suggested Neti Kriya. There is something which you put your nose and the water comes out. And then I tried that. So the allergy which I had for I think 20 years or so, early morning I will start sneezing when I get up. So that sort of vanished in about 7 days of that kind of practice. So very helpful in that way. But most important, I remember as a part of my official some consulting work, we had visited a village near Chandaka. And when we were talking, suddenly I came to know that that's the village from which Nanda sir hails from there. So I said, Bibi Nanda, I know him, he's a Rotary friend of ours. And then they were so thrilled that I'm a friend of Nanda sir. And then they started talking about his family, how he has achieved great heights and then brought so much, laurels for the village, etc. And they're speaking with so much respect and recognition. It was actually something that, it's not because he's a officer of the police force or anything like that, but the villagers, they actually respected him. So he was a great member of the club. He was a very social member of the club. and everybody sort of loved him. Very regular, even while he was suffering. We have seen him attending the virtual meetings quite often, and also, speaking once in a while. We will certainly miss him, and I hope Subravanani and others will be able to bear the loss. So thank you.
Thank you, Gopal. Anybody else?
Yeah, I'm ready now.
Yeah,
Good evening, everyone. Our association with Nanda Babu started in a very peculiar way, that his car had broken down on the way to Balesore, and we traveled together from that point to Balesore and then back. During this period, we struck up a friendship which I never realized would take us through so many years and would make us so much stronger as friends. With so much respect for him, I cannot but tell you of his career highs. He has done wonderful work on the central arena. He has done wonderful work in Sambalpur. I'm not Sambalpur, I'm talking about Puri. And last but not least, he started the CISF, and you see where it is today. And professionally, I can't tell you how much I respect his achievement. Aside from that, he was a true gentleman. We meet people every day of our lives. Some leave a mark on you. He was one of those people. He's left an indelible mark. I can't tell you how much he has affected me in my growth at this age, within myself. And it's all because of his assistance and his guidance in many ways. As you all know, he was a true believer and follower of the mother. And he let us into the +2 science arena by allowing us to take over the management of his ashram's +2 college. For this, I am extremely grateful to him, because now not only are we managing his college, but we have now started managing another much larger college, and all thanks to the opportunity that he gave us. Having said that, I want to talk about his Rotarian activities. Now, when he was the president of the club, we went at the end of the year when he was the immediate past president, and we were involved with regard to some of the awards which had not been given to deserving members. And this was for reasons which I cannot explain on a webinar like this, on a meeting like this. But Nanda Babu said, either you give this or you take back all the awards. Very straight and very simple. This is not the way to treat people, true Rotarians. And he stood his ground. And he did it very politely. I realized that I might have been a little more hot-headed about it, but not Nanda Babu. Very cool, calm, and collected. And that's the type of leader he was, a Rotarian he was. The work that we did that year, the club did, was exceptional, like all the previous years and all the subsequent years. The club has performed well, and he has followed in the true spirit of a Rotarian, and Metro spirit and position has always been held high by it. On a personal level, my father has interacted so many times with him, like Gopal mentioned about homeopathy. They would exchange books and exchange remedies, things that one cannot imagine, that two senior people like this are talking about it on a basis, like, oh, if you try this and matter, oh, can I do this? Can I borrow this? And I tell you, this relationship has kept my father very, very, very happy. And you can imagine how distraught he was when I had to tell him that Nanda Babu has passed away. He was all ready. We didn't have the heart to tell him the day it happened, because we had lost somebody the previous day. We didn't have the heart and the courage to tell him for fear that it might affect him. So we kept it till yesterday morning. And yesterday morning we informed my father, "We're sorry to inform you that Nanda Babu is no more." He was really distraught. He says, "What a fine gentleman. What a wonderful person. And what a loss for you and your club." He summed up in 3 words how I feel about it. Many of us say that we will miss him. Yes, we shall certainly miss him, but we shall not forget him. Nanda Babu, wherever you are, you will always be in our hearts. You will always be in our thoughts. And thank you very much for making that difference in our lives. Thank you.
Thank you, Nabin. Anybody else?
Kulamani
Anybody?
sir, mute
Yes.
achanti. Kulamani sir, mute achanti.
Moji. Am I audible now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Wait, wait.
carry on.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir,
carry
you are
on.
audible.
You're
Yes, sir,
audible.
you are
No
audible.
problem.
Acha. Yes. Sir, namaskar. Bibi, I'll be speaking or not?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
please.
please.
Okay. Today actually is a very sad day when we are observing this condolence meeting. My association with Bibi Nanda dates back to 1968, when after completion of his IPS training, he had joined his first posting was SDPO, Sub-Regional Police Officer, Talcher, and I was under training at Police Training College only. So as a part of my training, I had to attend one inspection of Bibi Nanda because it is very close to Anugur. So I remember I attended sometime his inspection of a police station, a remote police station, Konya, where NTPC had never come in those days, was a rural rustic police station. And we used to know each other from that day. And our bond of friendship, I can call it, because he's such a nice gentleman. He will never do any bossism over you. Though I have not directly worked under him when he was a DIG, nor I was SP under him. Similarly, but on several occasions during our professional career, I have seen that this gentleman, a very professionally sound and competent. I remember an incident in January, February 1994. I was a DIG, Barampur. There was an ethnic class, unprecedented of its type, in Fulwani, and the class continues for a period of more than 2 months. And as a DIG, I had to rush to that place. So that is the ethnic class between the two tribes, that is Kandhas and Pans. Panas and Kandhas in Fulwani, I tell you, there is a proverb that Kandha Rajaku Pana Mantri Bhalya, Kandha mane bhari innocently लोक गुड़िक से इवन गोटे छेली बिकवाक जदि जीवे से हाट को गोटे मंत्री गोटे दरकार पान जो अच्छी कम कर सी ठकवा ठकाठकी कर किंतु सी जिनस से जानती तो जहाँ पैसा पाती 100 टंकार जिनसा बिक्री हवा माने 20 टंका दब आ 80 टंका सी ना दब ये जिनस these things were continuing for years together. Ultimately it culminated when they found that a young boy from the Pana community kidnapped and ran away to somewhere, some unknown destination, to which we could not also recover a girl from the Khandha community. So after that, there was a clash, and the Panas were very much, Kandhas were very much agitated, and that was being spearheaded by Kandha community. He's a graduate. He was spearheading the agitation, and I had gone there with a view to oversee what is happening, but I had to stay for 47 nights. And IG, Mr. Nanda was IG headquarters, and he was specially deputed by the DG and the government that he would go and assist the DIG in see that this agitation is at least quelled up. We have literally moved, did foot patrolling entire district on, but we could not come to a definite conclusion. In the process of about 45 days, we found there was nothing, no less than 5,000 houses were burnt, and 25 people from this side, either side, mostly from Harijan side, Pana side, they were killed. That was unprecedented. Biju Patnaik was the chief minister. He had gone twice also, called for a meeting in the police ground at Fulbani. And as you know, I tell you, the Harijans will come, but the Kandhas will never come. I am grateful. I still remember, I tell you, a gentleman, the district magistrate and the SP, they were transferred because they were not coming out, and we had taken up the situation. And ultimately, this present chief secretary, he had gone as a collector. And we had a small meeting, and he said, sir, I will go on my own. No policeman, nobody will go with me. He actually went first day, second day, third day he came across with a group of Kandha boys, which we were not able to see. With the police people in uniform, I tell you, they were not appeared. So anyway, there was a reconciliation meeting between the two groups, and it was happened. And I have got a lot of advice and from Mr. Nanda, who was personally supervising the entire arrangement during this year. I still remember we had gone, Gopal Naik, as rightly said, we had gone to Australia and New Zealand together, to Vizag, and some other places also we have gone. Probably this Sri Lanka also in 2019. He was such a nice man. I have no words to express. He's such a simple, coming from a very simple background from Banki area. You will be surprised to know that he was also a very brilliant student. In those days, in 1960, he got his matriculation in 1960. And in those days, I tell you, I passed in 61, 1 year junior to him. But in 1960, in pre-university, in 61 examination, final university examination, one single university, he was the topper on that year. Then he did his graduation with the political science, and while studying 5th year at Bani Vihar, political science, he got through this Indian Police Service. And worked as a superintendent of police, Ganjam, Puri, DIG Sambalpur, wherever he has worked, he had made a marking of his footsteps, and people still remember because I succeeded him after some time. I was there at Sambalpur also. 10 years back, he was there. So people still remember him, that how he was handling the law and order situation. And the main contribution when he went to the Government of India. In Government of India, he worked in two separate organizations. First was this ITBP. Then he joined as the DG CISF. While DG CISF, I have seen that he was frequently coming to Odisha. And one day, when I inquired, sir, what regularly we are coming? Now, you do not know, we are going to put up a unit, this CISF unit at Mundali. It's a big unit, and ultimately, this CISF unit came because of his efforts. He was coming regularly to the secretariat because land is required. Government has to give the land. It is during his time. Earlier, I tell you, this Bhubaneswar airport was handled. I have seen in 1983, 84, 85, when I was SP Bhubaneswar, I was managing the security of the airport with only 26 constables and 4 havildars. That's all. No sub-inspector, nothing of this sort. But by a stroke of pen, he took over the airport. Activities went on, and CISF was installed at Bhubaneswar airport for the purpose of security. That was a great relief to the district police. We did not know that he will suddenly pass off, because the first spell, if I correctly remember, frequently, because here at Bhubaneswar, he is my immediate neighbor, you can call it. I stay at BJ 29, 30 is an apartment, and 31 is a house in one. So he actually suffered from this. It's a very dreaded disease, and he was all right. He was. I remember he was attending our physical meetings in 2018-19, and also we have a informal get together for retired IPS officers. We meet in the CRP mess every month. He was also regularly coming. And last get together we had, I remember that it was in 2019 December. After that, I tell you, 2020 during this pandemic, we became disconnected, as you know, and he ultimately in the last 4 or 5 months, he suffered very severely. And finally, on 21st, 22nd, I tell you, when I heard the news, I was simply shocked. Immediately, I got the flower and everything, but then I got the information that their body, mortal remains will come. What is this sound? Mortal remains will come to his house after 4 months. So, as my previous speakers, they have already said about his activities in the Rotary, and in the Khandagiri, that's a high school where this Stima High School. So we lost a very, very sincere Rotarian, a true friend, because I remember I used to make joke with him. Well, sir, you are DG CISF, we want to go to Chardham, and please arrange accommodation. Accommodation and transport, don't worry, it will be done. In one telephone call, I tell you, he had arranged accommodation, transport, everything there. In 2016 also, we visited Bhuj. The Bhuj, now the film has come, the Pride of India. So we visited also Bhuj, because in those places, I tell you, you will not get any accommodation. If you have got some contact with the CISF or CISF NATO, this, what do you call this, BSF, CRP, ITBP. So whosoever it may be, at Bhuj, he arranged accommodation, transport in the BSF guest house and all that. So we missed him, a very sincere, and we are offering our condolence. I am praying Lord Jagannath to make to let his noble soul rest in peace. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Dev. Anybody else? Or I will have my last one. Yes, President.
Sir, Mukhoy Pare.
No, let the President get, then you
Sir, with your permission, can I?
will. President has already asked first. So let him speak, then you will. Yes,
Sir,
President.
Subhuni.
Subhuni.
ନାଇଁ ଏଥର ଶୁଭୁଛି ସାର୍ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ କହିଲେ
ଡକ୍ଟର ପ୍ରେସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହାତ ବଢେଇକି କହିବେ ବୋଲି କହିଲେ ମୁଁ କହିଲି ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ କହିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ବିଶାଳ
କୁହନ୍ତୁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
I will take only very 1 minute.
ନାଇଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି I couldn't hear that properly. I'm sorry.
I did not know him. Only I came to know him when I joined the club. He also joined the club same times. I met him in one of the picnic. I started to know him. I did not realize that he was also very senior police officer because he was so simple. It took some time to know that he retired as a police DG because he was a very simple man. He is unlike of a police senior police officer. Then when I heard about his demise, I did not believe. I wanted to check it again because only during the installation he talked to me. He could not, he missed the installation ceremony due to some problem, I think. Immediately after that, he said, it is finished. I wanted to join it because he was interested to listen to our chief guest who was an oncologist. Then next day he wanted me his lecture, what he spoke. So I conveyed to him. Because that time I did not believe that he will not live so long because he was normally talking, normal behavior. He was under treatment though. And I was thinking it will not happen so early. And he is such a simple man. I have visited his house several times. He always behaves friendly, very friendly. He always, when he became president, before that he was after me, please teach me how to operate the email, how to send email, how to use the computer, because he was not very conversant with it. I said, I will try to teach you, but that opportunity did not come. And he conducted his presidency so well. I think he had the maximum number of service activities, 100, more than 141. I think those days service activities used to be written on a register. So I was surprised. I did not realize that we have done so many, because during his time, he always makes a point to ring up. He always rings up to me before any health camp or anything. He will personally request me because those days there is no WhatsApp. So he used to ring up me. He must have having a lot of efforts to ring up people and collect them to implement some project. And he was so sincere. Then I realized how sincere man he is. Though he was very senior, he's 10 years senior to me, but he worked like a youngster. It was so surprising, and he's such a simple man. I also traveled to Australia or Europe, I don't know, with him. But whenever in the evening, he will see me in the corridor, he will ask me to his room and offer me one drink or something. So he is a very simple man and behaves very nicely with everybody, with me also. I have gone to his house even recently, not long back, maybe 1 or 2 months back. I sat with him. He again told me how to do certain things on telephone, how to use this WhatsApp things. So he used to ask me. So he does not have any hesitation to learn certain things from to junior people. And basically such a senior person, such a sincere person, we have lost him actually. We have lost a good Rotarian, a good friend, and we will never have such a person with us. Such a senior man, but behave like a very active young person. And he has passed away. Very sad thing. Very sad. And very sad. God only help him, let him be in solely in peace. Okay. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Miro.
Thank you, Badri. Yes,
yes,
then
Mokudi Mindi
who
Midiba.
wanted to speak?
sir.
Mu JK.
Yes.
Mir ko. Mir
No,
ko.
sir, apan ko.
Okay.
So should I start race case?
Yes, please.
Yeah. मुझे पढ़ी भी बसंस जनानी जथा विहाय तबानि गुह्याति नरो पुराणी तथा शरीराणि विहाय जन्ना ननानि शयाति नवानि देहि मनुष्यर जितेबले पुराणा लुगा भलिया मनुष्य जितेबले जो राजीर्ण अवस्था को चली आसे जितेबले तार वृद्धावस्था आसिक पहुंचे सेतेबले ताको रहिया पई समय मिलेनी काना जम गुरुतर डाकरा आसी जाए किंतु आम जितेबले विभिन्न कथा पढ़े से बहुत ये लगे कहीं से सब समय ही वाज ए स्पिरिटेड मैन जितेबले जो पार्टी रे बहुत देखी एठी देखी आमर फिजिकल मीटिंग फिटिंग जिते देखी से डिफरेंट जड़ा पड़े से केमो फेमो नहीं आसती मुझे सदा पचार मुझे सर कौन प्रोब्लेम बुझी ना ना जगह भाई भल एमती कहती किंतु जितेबले यही मृत्यु संवाद आसिक पहुंचला दैट वाज वेरी ये टू मी मुझे विश्वास कर पारे प्रथम से भी मानसी भौणी भाया देखते कहीं मानसी इज नंद एंड ही इज ऑल्सो नंद तेणु से भौणी भाया देखते कहते कल के मानसी मानसी डू नो माय नेम इज बाबुरी बंधु वाई यू नो कहले कहले सब तक मोर मो ऊपर जेते थे समस्त मरीगले बोली बापा मते बाउरी की बिकी देते बोली मो ना बाउरी बंधु कहती हेलो या हेलो शुभुची जहा से जो मरी आम ये कहवा मृत्यु तुम्हें केते सुंदर तुमको भय करे भीरु सी मरे बारंबार किंतु से प्रकार लोक नथिले से केवल ही वाज नेवर अफ्रेड ऑफ डेथ से सदा बेले कहते कहले जदि आसबो केते आसबो आसबो तापे एते व्यस्त बारे कोन अछि ए प्रकार लोक से जा हो जे विभिन्न आम बाहर भीतर जति दिन रही जति आमे हमर जने गुरुजन स्थानीय लोक थिले बोली आमे सदा बेले चिंता करि आछु एवं तांकर सीट तांकर प्रेसिडेंट पीरियड रे सीएसए भीतर जो बहुत बड़ गैदरिंग हेतला हमर सब बहुत रोटरियन जाइथिले दैट वाज यूनिक ओकेजन आमर लास्ट टाइम बोधे आम पिकनिक देखी ही वाज आल्सो ऑलराइट बसी कहती कहले जे मो खाई पारुनी किछि कहीं पार्टी सदा बेले जहाँ किछि खाइले मत राग लगुच एमती बहुत फीलिंग कहते बहुत दुख लगे जहा हो से जिते से चलीगला पर आम बर्तमान फील करूँ जे सच ए गुड सच ए नाइस मैन वाज देयर विथ अमंग अस जिते रोटेरियन अच्छा भितर ही वाज वन ऑफ द learned and very efficient man not only in आप तो पुलिस सर्विस रे थिले बोली समस्त कहते किंतु मु केबे फील करेनी जे ही वाज ए मैन फ्रॉम पुलिस सर्विस से ही वाज डाउन टू अर्थ मैन डाउन टू अर्थ से बड़ा लोक जने से चली जीवा परे आमे आम क्लब जने गोटे आमर मुकुटरू गोटे हीरा चली गला भलिया हमको लागुची तेणु वी फील दैट जाओ जगन्नाथ पाखे आम निश्चय प्रार्थना करवा जीवनर सद्गति हो आत्मार सद्गति हो एवं से अंततः आत्मा मुख्य हो ये कहीकि मु आज सर्व वक्तव्य सांग करुच्ची धन्यवाद
Thank you, everybody. Yes. Anybody
Sir.
else?
मीर
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
Please.
yes, Mayur.
No, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. मु रोटरी रो आसीबा परे ही माने रोटरी को आसीबा परे ही मु तांको जानि पारली रोटरी रे मोर बहु परिचित नथिले जे मते स्पॉन्सर कले दिलीप पटनायक तांको छडा बोधे मु काहू जानि नथली एंड ग्रेजुअली किछि मास बितला परे किछि फंक्शन अटेंड कला परे देन सडनली आई फाउंड सी किछि लोक कोन हुए जानि करी किछि लोक परिचित होंती किछि लोक प्रति स्नेह आसे श्रद्धा आसे किछि लोक प्रति भक्ति आसे तो इनफैक्ट से जेबेठू मते देखले नहीं से ही took me in his under his shade mate emti lagila je jemti he is like a guardian figure and always he wanted to inquire about my well being kemiti acha mu a sujata tole jau to se personally ase pacharanti one of the very few gentlemen who initially who was so forthcoming se nije asikri swatspurta bhabare mate pacharante apan kout rahi chanti kouti kon karchanti ghar adu ka asantu mu bi ethi rahi chi pakhare so इत्यादि कथा तेणु मते लागिला जेमति अति आपणार मोर परिवार रे केही लोक से प्रकार जे मोर शुभचिंतक एवं गार्डियन भलिया सो ऑलवेज आई लुक्ड अपॉन हिम व्हेनेवर आई मेट हिम मो एक्चुअली इते श्रद्धा तांग पे मो मन रे जे मु आज मु तांग विशेष की जाननी मु तो डिस्कवर करूची एवरी डे आई एम डिस्कवरिंग लॉट ऑफ फैक्ट्स अबाउट हिम फ्रॉम हिज क्लोज पीपल व्हाट केम आउट इन पेपर एंड आपण माने जहा कहले थ्रू आदो ही एज ए ह्यूमनिस्ट एज ए कौन कहि स्पिरिचुअल पर्सन जने आध्यात्मिक व्यक्ति हिसाब से मो सम्मुख रे उभा होइतले एवं ए किछि वर्ष हला 3-4 वर्ष जेबेठू मु अछि रोटरी रे तांका संगे मो परिचित किंतु एते क्लोज लागंती अति आपणार आ गोटे सरप्राइजिंग जिंस जे बर्थडे रे समस्त विश करंती ठीक किंतु 2 वर्ष तळे हठात तांका मु टेलीफोन कॉल पाइली पर कहले मु नंद कहूछ मु सर कोहंतु नै किछि ना आज तमर जन्मदिन पर हम हियर मु कहली हां सर से कहले नहीं नहीं तो भाबिले आउ लेखिक कौन देबी मु पर्सनली तुमको फोन करके जणाऊ सर इट इज सो नाइस एंड सो मच टचिंग सतरे बहुत भल लागला अपन देन ही स्पोक टू मी अबाउट 10-15 मिनट्स सिमिलरली एवरी बर्थडे वी यूज्ड टू एक्सचेंज ग्रीटिंग्स टुगेदर एवं ये जो गत बर्थडे तांकर किछि दिन आगे जाईची किछि मास आगे तो सेथरे भी म ताको फोन कली दो वी डिड नॉट टॉक मच से तांका घरु के बोते गेस्ट बा तांका ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन वगैरह के छुआ माने आस्तेले तो शब्द सुबुतला मुगल सर अपन व्यस्त छंदी बोदे नाही नाही ठीक अछि कय बर्थडे तो पालन करे आछन मुगले हो भल कथा सो इट्स स्टिल हिज वर्ड्स हिज वॉइस रिवर्बरेटिंग थ्रू माय इयर्स सबले तांका प्रति मोर कोन मु कहबी हठात से चली गेले मु जानि छी से रोगग्रस्त थिले एवं अनेक दिन से अनेक मास किछि मास धरि आसु नथिले मध्ये तापर से आसिले टिके भिन्न देखा गले इत्यादि बट देन आई नेवर थॉट जेमते आपण माने समस्त कहले जे केही भाबी पर नथिले जे हठात से हम गहण रु चल जिवे तेणु ए प्रकार जने व्यक्तित्व ए प्रकार जने कर्मठ लोक ए प्रकार जने ह्यूमनिस्ट जने आध्यात्मिक लोक हम भितर चली गला लागुची जेमते हम मुंड ऊपर कहार बरदस्त खसी गला तेणु ए प्रकार टिके अवश्य समस्त जिबे जेमती जेके सर कहले जेके भाने कहले जे तांको बोधे भगवान इच्छा कले तांको नै जिबा पे से चली गेले समस्त जीवार काल बेला अछि किंतु आमे जानि सुद्धा किछ लोकंकर मृत्यु रे बा किछ लोकंकर वियोग रे हम एकदम म्रियमाण हे पडू तो आज मध्ये सेही अवस्था तेणु तांको मु आउ थरे तांका स्वर्गत आत्मा प्रति श्रद्धा और भक्ति जणाउची ईश्वर के पाखे प्रार्थना जे तांको मोक्ष प्रदान करंतु एवं सब बेले तांकर वी विल ऑलवेज फील हिज एब्सेंस इट इज सर्टेन एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली मिस हिम कते कहयो बाहुल्य जे आमे जने आम भितरु एते सुंदर व्यक्तित्व लोक एवं एते कर्मठ एवं एते ज्ञानी ध्यानी लोक चली गले जेमती गछ फल भरी गले से नई जानते सब बेले तांकर से प्रकार नम्र एवं बड़ विनय व्यवहार इवन छोट को पाखरे मध्य एटा तांगठो अनेक गुण शिखिबार अछि तो सर्व शेष रे मु तांको प्रणाम जणाई तांको चरण रे मु मोर भक्तिपूत प्रणाम जणाऊ धन्यवाद
Thank you, Mir Babu. I think at the end, I will
Can I
speak a
just
few.
say, can I just say just a few words?
Please.
I would just like to say very, very quickly and shortly that I can only say that I personally was totally blessed to become so close to Nanda Babu. I can never imagine. As everybody has said, and today I can believe that he was such a wonderful person that he has taken everyone so close to his heart. Unbelievable. I used to think of myself as being special, that I felt so very close to him. And every time I felt really as if he loved me like a younger sister or whatever we can call it, but there was a very special affection between us in many, many ways. And I feel very sorry for the fact that I did not get to know him early. But at the same time, I appreciate the fact that I met someone as wonderful, as great a person as Nanda Babu was. And the only few things that I do remember is that when he was going through all this treatment and he was not being able to eat anything, as so many people have pointed out, and he would tell me, Nalini, tama konti ki neasilu mo sita khai dibi. I would cook for him at home and take it in a different carrier so that he would have something to eat. Wherever we went out, whether it was on a picnic, whether it was for our fellowship dinners, I used to make sure that he had something that he was able to eat. And I really remember that I feel grateful that I was able to do something as little for him that I have done this. And as far as his wife, as far as Suprabha is concerned, she has been such a close friend, like a confidant that we used to be able to talk to. She always mentioned to us about everything. Such closeness I have never found with anybody else like I have felt with them, with their family. I am truly blessed to be a part of them, to be a part of their family, and that he became so close, as Naveen had said to my father-in-law also, that they used to come home to visit him. And I felt absolutely in awe of a person like that. I will miss him greatly. I can never forget him. I can never forget the effects that he has done to us and to our family. And all the help that he has given whenever we needed anything, as everyone has mentioned, he was such a great person. He will be with God always. God will be with him always. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nalini. The last, my association with Nanda Babu was much before we met in Rotary. When I was heading the Vizag steel plant, he was that time DG CISF, and he had given 2 visits to Visakhapatnam. We had a big CISF contingent for the plant, and fortunately that time the commandant was a young Odia IPS officer. I came to know that Nanda Babu is coming from him. Then I took him as a company guest, and he was put in we have got a hilltop guest house, which is exclusively meant for senior central government officials. It is located at the top of a hill from where you can get a panoramic view of the plant and the whole township. During those 2 days stay, that was my first time I met him. We had spent together. From the company side, we had given him a dinner. Then myself and the commandant and Nanda Babu, we spent 2 days. He saw the plant. I showed him the plant. I showed him the township. I showed him everything there. He was so enchanted because he had not seen a steel plant in detail earlier. More I see him as a police officer, the more I see him as a man with a good heart. He was learned, he was affectionate, and during our Rotary years, we maintained our relationship. He was, whether you know or not, he was very fond of collecting postage stamps and coins that he collects for his grandson. I had got a plenty of stock of both the things. So he had come twice or thrice to my house. We completely take out everything. Then he selects from there because I had got no use of that anymore. Then he takes it for his grandson. We are very good friends. He was a great man with a golden heart, with no ill will, no prejudice against anybody. The qualities I admired and brought him much closer to him. with his sudden demise, we have lost a good man with a great heart, and we will miss him. Let his soul rest in peace. Thank you. Now I hand it over to the president, please.
Sir, muted achanti. Visual sir, unmute huontu.
Thank you, Narayan sir. We have lost a very great Rotarian and a gentleman Rotarian. We will never get him. We can wish his soul rest in peace and his family reconcile with the loss and be happy. Then I have nothing more to say. Let us call it a day. Thank you. Thank you all of you who attended this meeting. Thank you. Thank you, Suprema Madam. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, Suprema Madam. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all Rotarians, Metro and IWC members for this meeting. And I think I have sent a message now, right now.
Now we got the message. We have got the message.
Okay, thank you all. So nice of you to have
Thank you, Madam.
attended this meeting. So thank you all again.